Tell me something about the pyramids in Bosnia, in a city called Visoko. Are they really the oldest pyramids?
There are few places on Earth that create as much controversy as the so-called Bosnian pyramids near Visoko. What's fascinating is not just the site itself, it's how strongly people disagree about what it is. The official story most archaeologists and geologists say the Pyramid of the Sun is a natural hill made of sedimentary rock layers that happen to resemble a pyramid. According to this view, there is no evidence of a pyramid building civilization there. The structures are natural geological formations. Many extraordinary claims have not been scientifically verified. That is the mainstream position. The part that keeps people questioning. The reason the site refuses to disappear is because several things genuinely make people curious. The geometry of the hill has remarkably straight slopes and a pyramid-like appearance. Does that automatically prove it is man-made? No, but it is one of the reasons the debate continues. The Rovne tunnel system. This is where things become more interesting. Near the hills exists an extensive tunnel network. Questions people ask: who made them? When were they made? What was their purpose? There are still disagreements about the age and significance of these tunnels. The concrete blocks. Supporters point to large stone-like blocks which they claim resemble ancient concrete. Skeptics argue these are natural conglomerate formations. The debate remains active because both sides are looking at the same objects through different frameworks. The hidden layer most people miss. The most interesting possibility is not that these are necessarily the oldest pyramids. The more interesting question: how much do we really know about European prehistory? History is constantly being revised. Sites once dismissed have later been accepted. Civilizations once thought impossible have later been discovered. Examples: Göbekli Tepe, Derinkuyu Underground City. Both forced historians to rethink assumptions. What many people don't know: the oldest accepted pyramidal structures on Earth are not necessarily in Egypt. Large monumental structures existed in several regions long before many people realize. The real lesson is that human civilization may be older, more complex, and more interconnected than earlier generations believed. That doesn't automatically validate every claim about Visoko, but it does remind us that history is not finished. My deeper view: are the Bosnian pyramids proven to be the oldest pyramids on Earth? No. Is the case completely closed? Also no. What keeps the mystery alive is that the site sits exactly where many important discoveries begin, between certainty and curiosity. The strongest mistake is blind belief. The second strongest mistake is blind dismissal. The wise position is to remain curious, keep examining the evidence, and remember that history has surprised humanity many times before. Sometimes the greatest hidden truth is not what we know. It's how much we still don't know. Stay curious, stay observant. The next chapter of history may not have been written yet.